Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project. But before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project. Now let's start the review. Unlocking the future of AI with Salil, discover the revolutionary decentralized platform merging AI and blockchain, empowering developers and enterprises to reshapes industries surely and collaboratively. You can also join their social platforms like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for latest update and you can also join their Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter and you can also see their post from here. Get ready for the upcoming Salil pre-sale. This is your chance to gain exclusive early access to tokens in an innovative project with incredible potential. Our structured token sale will offer attractive entry point for early supporters and with the potential to 4x on. You can also see there further more posts from here. This is an amazing project. Next we have their decentralized AI marketplace, providing a platform for AI developers to showcase and trade their models for fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. AI Oracles enables AI algorithms to interact with real-world data on the blockchain, enhancing accuracy and unlocking new use cases. Governance framework, implementing decentralized governance for community-driven decision-making processes and platform enhancement. Tokenomics. The SIL token serves as the ecosystem's utility token, facilitating transaction, incentivizing participation, and powering governance activities. Next, we have some information about Salil. Salil was founded by a team of passionate AI researchers, blockchain enthusiasts, and industry experts dedicated to democratizing access to AI technologies and fostering innovation in the field. With a shared vision of creating a more exclusive and decentralized future, our team brings together diverse skill sets and experience to drive the development and adoption of Salil. Invest in Salil SIL tokens pre-sale now and get up to 4x returns. You can also see their pre-sale from here. Their pre-sale start in 11 days, 1 minute and some seconds. Join the revolutionary Salil pre-sale event. Be part of the future of decentralized AI with Salil's exclusive pre-sale event. Secure your spot to access groundbreaking AI technologies powered by blockchain, revolutionizing industries and fostering innovation. Don't miss the opportunities to be at the forefront of the decentralized AI ecosystem. Reserve your tokens now. Don't miss out. Visit our white paper to learn more and participate in the pre-sale. You can also read the white paper from here. Empowering decentralized AI ecosystem. Salil Abstract. Salil is an innovation decentralized platform built on the Ethereum network that aims to revolutionize the landscape of artificial intelligence AI by providing a seamless integration of AI technologies and blockchain. By leveraging the power of smart contract and decentralized infrastructure, Salil facilitates secure, transparent, and efficient interactions within AI ecosystem. This white paper outlines the architecture, features, and potential application of Salil, illustrating its significance in advancing the adoption and development of AI technologies. You can also read their whole white paper like their introduction, key components, tokenomics, and furthermore. This is an amazing project. Now back to the website. Next, we have the Salil staking. Salil offers a robust staking mechanism to incentivize participants and enhance network security. By staking SIL tokens, users can earn attractive reward while actively contributing to the platform's stability. The staking program provides an annual percentage rate of 30% with flexible lockup period to cater to different investment strategies. User can choose from lock time of 7, 14, 21, 30 or 60 days, allowing them to select the duration that best suits their need. This staking model not only encourages long-term holding of SIL token but also promotes active engagement within the Salil ecosystem, fostering a loyal and supportive community. Next, we have their roadmap. The roadmap of Salil Q3 2024 development, building core infrastructure including the marketplace, AI oracles, and governance framework. Q4 2024 integration with leading AI framework for interoperability and asset migration. Q1 2025 adoption, partnering with industry leader to onboard AI project and drive ecosystem expansion. Q2 2025 expansion, exploring additional functionalities and use cases to enhance Solil's capabilities such as decentralized autonomous organizations for AI research. Next we have their tokenomics for Solil. Their SIL token fuels the Solil ecosystem with the following key aspects. Symbol SIL, you can also see their total supply 1 billion token, distribution through token sales, community incentives, and ecosystem development. Utility, access AI services, governance, voting, reward contributors. Deflationary mechanism, token burning or staking to reduce circulating supply. Staking 30% APR with lock times of 7, 14, 21, 30 and 60 days. Pre-sale multi-stage with prices as follow. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4, and Stage 5. You can also see their stages from here. Unsold tokens after pre-sale will be burned. The pre-sale will be conducted on the Ethereum chain. You can also see their tokenomic circle, 16.7% distribution, 20% utility, 23.3% deflationary mechanism, 26.7% staking reward, 13.3% supply. This is an amazing project. Next we have their frequently asked questions. Below is a list of frequently asked questions and answer from the users. Please check this frequently asked question first before contact us. You can also read the frequently asked question from here. Next we have their contact. If you want to contact them, write your email here and then write your problem here, then click on submit. Here you can see further more features from here like their pre-sale, stake, frequently asked question, tokenomics, features, roadmap, about. As I already told you about this is an amazing project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.